Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer data with DVC to Google Cloud. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer data with DVC to Google Cloud, start by ensuring you have the necessary tools installed. Make sure you have Git and DVC installed on your local machine. Open your terminal and navigate to the project directory where your data is located. If you haven't already initialized DVC in your project, run the command DVC init. Next, configure DVC to use Google Cloud Storage as your remote storage. You can do this with the command DVC remote add dmyremote.gs / your bucket name. Replace your bucket name with the name of your Google Cloud Storage bucket. Now, set the necessary credentials for accessing Google Cloud. Run DVC remote modify myremote credential path / your / service account key.json. Make sure the service account has the right permissions for the bucket. Next, you need to track the data files with DVC. Use the command DVC add path / your / data file to add your data. This command creates a .ddc file that tracks the data file. After adding the data, it's time to push your data to Google Cloud. Run the command DVC push to transfer the data to your remote. DVC will upload the files to your specified Google Cloud Storage bucket. To verify that the data has been uploaded, you can check the bucket in the Google Cloud console. You can also run DVC status to see the current status of your DVC tracked files. If you need to pull the data from Google Cloud later, use the command DVC pull. This command retrieves the data files from your Google Cloud Storage back to your local environment. Now you have a complete understanding of how to transfer data with DVC to Google Cloud. You can manage your data efficiently using DVC along with Google Cloud Storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.